Hello. You good? You okay? Yeah.
Yes.
And this is 102?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So you're the one that I just got a lot of call.
Of course you did.
Yeah.
No, I'm just getting my stuff out.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I have laryngitis.
Okay.
I'm just getting my stuff out of the common area and I'm leaving.
Okay, no problem.
Like,
Okay.
not 15 minutes.
Okay.
If that.
Yeah.
No, not causing any trouble. Just.
Hey,
Yes.
she's the one.
Okay.
Not supposed to be out of here.
Not true.
She's the one that got evicted
That's not true.
Okay.
last Thursday.
Okay.
Yeah.
She's not supposed to be out here.
We're having a problem here.
All right.
She's not supposed. And how did she get in her room?
The door was unlocked.
No, it wasn't. It was locked.
It's not any of your business.
It was locked. She's not supposed to be on this property right now. She's supposed to be escorted.
Okay.
And she's not escorted. She just came right in here.
Okay.
I'm not causing her any trouble.
All right.
So I'm not causing
if
anybody
you,
any trouble.
all right. If
I'll
you
get my stuff.
just get this right here.
I'm getting going.
It's to the courts. Call the cops
Okay.
or whatever. Because
Yeah.
she's not supposed to be here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. So just take whatever you have right here, and then just on your way. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Oh my God, Valerie.
Just
so
get out of
awesome.
here. You're not even supposed to be here.
Okay, well.
The police and everything.
Oh,